Today we will learn subtracting like fractions. Difference of like fractions is equal to difference of numerators by common denominator. So to find the difference of like fractions, we need to find the difference of numerators by common denominator. For example, 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7. So we need to find the difference of the numerators. The numerators are 4 and 2. 4 minus 2. And the common denominator is 7. So we see in both the fraction, the denominators are same. So these are like fractions. So now we will simply subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 by 7. So our answer is 2 by 7. 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. Let's do another example. 6 by 9 minus 4 by 9. In 6 by 9 and 4 by 9, the common denominator is 9. The 9 is the common denominator because these are like fractions. Now we will subtract the numerator. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 by 9. 6 by 9 minus 4 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9. This is how we need to subtract like fractions. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.